Are you tired of spending endless hours sanding by hand, only to end up with uneven surfaces and sore muscles? Imagine cutting your sanding time in half while achieving a flawless, professional finish on every project. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's time to make that dream a reality. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tools and tips to elevate your woodworking game. Today, we're diving into the world of palm sanders, a game changer for both DIY enthusiasts and professional woodworkers. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 5 best palm sanders of 2025, featuring top-notch models from DeWalt, WEN, Black Plus Decker, Skill, and ZFE. These tools are designed to provide efficiency, comfort, and precision, transforming the way you approach your sanding tasks. So, if you're ready to take your projects to the next level, stick around. And don't forget to check the description box and the first comment below for direct links to each of these products. Let's get started. ZFE Palm Sander. If you're looking for a versatile, budget-friendly palm sander that still performs like a champ, the ZFE Palm Sander is a solid pick. Known for its multifunctional design, the ZFE comes with a 5-inch sanding pad and a powerful 280W motor that can reach up to 13,000 revolutions per minute. What sets it apart is its ergonomic design and the built-in dust collection system that helps keep your workspace clean. It supports multiple sanding discs and works well on wood, metal, and even plastic surfaces. Despite being lightweight, it offers a solid grip, which makes it easy to control even during long sanding sessions. Whether you're working on furniture restoration or prepping drywall, the ZFE Palm Sander gives you professional results without breaking the bank. If you're a beginner or casual user who wants reliable performance, this is a great value buy. Check the description for more details and the link to grab yours. Skill Palm Sander. For those who want a little more power with user-friendly features, the Skill Palm Sander is a fantastic choice. It features a 2.0 amp motor that delivers smooth performance across a variety of surfaces. The microfiltration dust canister and the transparent dust box make cleanup easier and allow you to see when it's full. What users love the most is its soft rubber grip and pressure control technology that helps prevent gouging your work surface. The Skill Sander also includes a pad brake that reduces swirl marks, which is perfect for detail work. Whether you're smoothing out a large table or handling smaller craft pieces, it strikes a great balance between comfort and power. It's beginner-friendly and professional-grade at the same time, making it ideal for users of all levels. Black Plus Decker Palm Sander. A trusted name in the tool industry, Black Plus Decker's Palm Sander continues to impress with its compact design and efficient performance. This model features a 2-amp motor and operates at 14,000 orbits per minute, making it one of the fastest in its category. Its compact body is ideal for getting into tight corners, and the 3-position grip offers greater control and versatility. The high-performance dust collection system keeps your workspace cleaner, and its lightweight build reduces fatigue. It's excellent for detail work, finishing surfaces, and minor repairs around the home. DIYers love the combination of affordability and functionality. And if you're looking for a tool that gets the job done without extra frills, the Black Plus Decker Palm Sander is a no-brainer. WEN Palm Sander. Don't overlook the WEN Palm Sander, especially if budget is a concern but you still demand quality. This compact yet powerful 1.2 amp sander delivers 13,500 OPM orbits per minute, providing more than enough muscle for most small to medium sanding jobs. It's ultra lightweight and designed for minimal hand fatigue during extended use. The hook and loop base pad makes changing sandpaper a breeze, and it comes with a dust collection port for cleaner work areas. Whether you're smoothing rough edges, removing paint, or polishing a surface, the WEN delivers dependable results. Its affordability makes it a top pick for beginners, while its consistent performance has earned it a loyal following among hobbyists. DeWalt Palm Sander. Topping our list is none other than the DeWalt Palm Sander, a favorite among professionals and serious DIYers alike. This beast features a 2.3 amp motor that powers through tasks with up to 14,000 OPM, ensuring smooth, even results on every pass. Its ergonomic rubber grip and reduced vibration make it comfortable for long hours of use. What really sets this model apart is the innovative dust seal switch and efficient dust collection system, which helps extend the tool's life and keeps your workspace clean. The controlled finishing system prevents gouging, and the precision-engineered design makes this sander ideal for everything from cabinetry to fine woodworking. It's the perfect mix of durability, performance, and ease of use, making it the best palm sander of 2025 in our book. And there you have our top 5 picks for the best palm sanders of 2025. Each of these sanders has been selected based on real-world performance, build quality, and customer satisfaction. No matter your experience level or project scope, there's a sander on this list that's built for your needs. So which one are you planning to add to your toolbox? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, all the product links are in the description box and pinned in the first comment for your convenience. Don't miss out on the latest deals and prices. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more expert tool reviews, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss an update. We've got plenty more tool reviews, comparisons, and buying guides coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.